We are visiting Bolinao in Pangasinan, located on the northwestern coast of the Philippines. Here you'll find a place where nature, mythical folklore, and history collide. Our journey begins beneath the surface of the earth. It is called the Enchanted Cave, which feels like stepping into another world. It is a fully maintained eco park with lush gardens, bonsai collections, a wishing well, and a replica of the 14th century Bolinao skull. The gardens are very well maintained. The beautiful flowers are pleasing to the eyes and are soothing to the soul. This area is a massive coral reef. Visitors can still see ancient fossilized giant clams and coral formations embedded in the limestone rocks throughout the property. After a quick change into our bathing suit, we then proceeded to go to the underground cave. A helmet is required to be worn upon entering the cave. Local legend claims the cave was once inhabited by supernatural beings, so it was known to be enchanted. For generations, it was viewed as a sacred sanctuary by villagers who believed its underground waters possessed healing properties. I must say that if you are claustrophobic, this is not the place to go. Inside this ancient limestone cavern is a crystal clear natural underground pool. The cave pool is roughly 7 to 10 feet down. It is renowned for its enchanting ambience, naturally preserved limestone rock formations, and fascinating geological origins. The water was just fabulous, cooling you down on a hot day. And millions of years ago, the entire town of Bolinao was submerged under the ocean. Archaeological guides and researchers have found Chinese pottery dating back to the 12th century inside the cave. It provided shelter or served as a ritual site for ancient inhabitants and early traders. Bolinao is famous for its waterfalls. There are 3 of them in the area. We only had time to visit one of them. Wish we had more time, but its area is just surrounded by lush greenery. It's the perfect place to bring the family. Here, they have picnic benches, picnic huts, and there is truly a paradise with the beautiful bougainvillea flowers and the natural lush greenery. The scenery is just great. So it's a good place to wash away the tropical heat. Okay. Take it away.
Pwede ko na lang ipahawak sa yung cellphone ko. picture mamaya. Hindi na ako magdadala ng cellphone ko.
This is good.
Hihingi na lang ako ng picture sa'yo.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, 40.
Look at that. Oh, fresh.
Siguro yan lang muna siya, babe. Kakainin niya na lang. Oh, don't eat the
The brown?
the brown one.
How do I separate it?
No, sige mo, slice it for you. Ronald Jr. at home.
Good. It is a requirement that all who enters the water must wear a life jacket, and so they provide life jackets for a small fee. Standing tall on Punta Piedra Point since 1905, the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse has guided sailors across the South China Sea for over a century. This 101-foot tower sits at 107 meters above sea level. It is the second tallest lighthouse in the country, and it still guides passing ships as of today. Here's a beautiful sight to see where the calm waters of the Ilog Malino River meets the wild energy of the West Philippine Sea. Here's where you'll find Punta Rivera Resort by Patar Beach. It's a natural meeting point between fresh river water and salt water. This bridge is a favorite spot for taking panoramic photos and watching the sunset. The riverbanks are lined with lush green mangrove trees. Guests often take kayaks along the tranquil waters to enjoy bird watching and the peaceful natural scenery away from the open sea. Bolinao isn't just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you. So which of these spots would you visit first in Bolinao? Is it the Enchanted Cave Pool, the waterfalls, the lighthouse, or the beach where the river meets the sea and watch a stunning sunset? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.